What is float? The number with decimal point is called floating point. The numbers with decimal point is called floating point number. Floating point number. For example, we will take the diesel number. Diesel price is, for example, diesel price is 70.5 and dollar price is 75.15. These are the floating numbers. These are the floating numbers. For example, A is equal to 1.5. This means a type of A. This is a inbuilt function. Answer is class. This is a float. Float is allows only decimal forms. It allows only decimal numbers. It does not allows binary, octal and hexadecimal numbers. It allows only decimal numbers only, and it allows scientific notations, and it allows exponential form. For example, it allows 1.2 e power 3. E power 3 means 10 to the power of 3. For example, into 10 to the power of 3. You get the answer is 1200.0. This is the another way of floating point. Next we will discussing about complex number. What is complex number? Now, complex number is a special number, complex numbers or special data types in Python. Third one, complex data type. Complex data type is a special data type in Python. Special data type in Python. Because any other languages, C, Java does not have this type of data type. That's why this is a special data type in Python. This data type is used in mathematic based applications. Third one, scientific applications. Fourth one is electrical engineering. Applications. These applications are used in complex data type. Syntax of the complex data type. Syntax. Syntax is A plus bj. A is real number, B is imaginary number. Imaginary number. J means we can take capital or small letter, but result is always in small letters only. J value is j square is equal to -1. J is equal to -1. How to get the real value and binary value? We will take A is equal to 10 plus 5j. 5j. This type of A. Answer you get. This is a comment in Python. Complex. This type is a complex type. How to get the real value? Print is a inbuilt function in Python. A dot real. We will get answer is 10 and print A dot img. Real and img is a inbuilt variables in Python. We will get 5. This is overall complex data types. We will discussing about other data types in next video. Bool, string, list, tuple, set, frozen set, date, none, byte array, and range. These are discussing about next video.